In Pixie Hollow, the night sparkled with the glow of the fireflies, casting a gentle light on its every corner. But one evening, a hush fell over the meadows as the fireflies mysteriously lost their glow, leaving the fairy world shrouded in darkness. Without hesitation, Tinker Bell, known for her unyielding curiosity and bravery, decided to embark on an adventure to restore the light. Bundling up her toolkit filled with gizmos and a pouch of pixie dust, Tinker set out into the heart of the enchanted forest. She fluttered swiftly, her wings shimmering with every beat, as she followed the faint trail of the fireflies leading deep into the woods where an ancient, magical oak tree whispered secrets of the land. There, hidden amid the old roots, she encountered Glimmer, the oldest of the fireflies. He explained that the source of their glow had been taken away by a mischievous sprite who fancied a new crown of glowing lights. To retrieve it, Tinker Bell needed to prove her bravery through a series of trials. Undeterred, Tinker Bell dove fearlessly into the sprite's cavern. With creativity as her ally, she constructed a contraption that played a melody which captivated the sprite's heart, making him dance with joy and granting her a chance to speak. Using a sprinkle of pixie dust, Tinker demonstrated the power of shared happiness, convincing the sprite to return the glowing charm. Delighting in the joy he felt, the sprite gladly handed over the treasure. With the charm secured, Tinker Bell soared back to Pixie Hollow, her excitement lighting up her path like a comet. As she touched the charm to the fireflies, they rekindled their glow, painting the night sky with their ethereal light once again. Tinker Bell's glowing adventure restored not only the light to Pixie Hollow but also a lesson of courage and creativity prevailing against the odds, reminding everyone of the true magic that lies within when they harness it with heart.